Today I will be testing and reviewing these magnetic eyelashes from Eyekeshe. If you're interested, stay tuned and I'll be right back after this. Hey superstars, it's your girl Malika, aka Miss Magic, back with another video. So like I said, today I am partnering with this brand called Eyekeshe. It is an Amazon-based company and it is magnetic eyelash strips. They were kind enough to send me a sample, a box of dramatic magnetic eyelashes. This is not my first rodeo with magnetic eyelashes. I love them. Now you may ask why I love magnetic lashes so much. Because they are easy, and I am the kind of girl that likes to get out the door in 5 minutes or less, and trust me, these lashes take less than 5 minutes to put on. Magnetic lashes are perfect for the person who doesn't want to mess with eyelash glue or doesn't have the time or money to go and get false lashes put on and does not want to spend all that money on those mink individual lashes. This is easy. Guess what, y'all? These lashes cost $9.99. And also, they're giving me a 20% discount code if you do purchase these lashes off Amazon. You can use my code and get 20% off, and that will make them like $7.99. So, I mean, who wouldn't want that? So with these lashes, you get 5 pair of dramatic eyelashes, 5 pair of reusable, I should say, magnetic lashes for $7.99. Where they do that at? Where they do that at? I'll wait. Exactly. So first, before we begin, if you are new to my channel, thank you for coming. Welcome. Go ahead, if you like this video, hit that subscribe button down below. Give me a big like and go ahead and hit that notification bell so that you can be alerted when I do post another video. Also, if you are returning back to my channel, welcome back, Magic Superstars. All right, so what I'm going to do before we get started on these lashes, I am going to go ahead and give myself a soft beat. I am not a makeup artist, so I'm not gonna do it on camera, but I'm gonna go ahead, get my little face beat, and we're gonna jump right into how to install these lashes. I'll be right back. All right, guys, I am back with a soft glam look. So now we can dive right into testing and reviewing the Eyekeshe. Did I say Eyekeshe? Eyekeshe magnetic lashes. Okay, so how it comes packaged like this. And on the website, on Amazon, it says magnetic eyelashes with eyeliner, magnetic lashes and magnetic eyeliner, natural false eyelashes, 5D, fluffy, thick, long, dramatic, lightweight, handmade fake lashes with tweezer. And this is how they're gonna look on the Amazon site, as you can see. So we're gonna open up the box. And like I said, it comes with 5 lashes just like this, the dramatic eyelashes, with 2 eyeliner pencils, magnetic eyeliner pens. That's what you're gonna use to adhere the eyelashes onto your eyes. So I just did some wings with my eyeliner. Basic wings, don't come for me, y'all. Like I said, I am not a makeup artist. I just did a little soft glam look that I do all the time when I go out. This is just my little basic. So we got 5 pairs, and these are all supposed to be dramatic, but the first 2 look more natural, as you can see, and then I think I'm gonna put on this 3rd pair so that you'll be able to see the drama. And it also comes with a applicator. So in there like that. So we're gonna take this off of there. And we'll let's read some more of this description of the eyelashes first. So they say they're comfortable, you can wear all day long because of the soft handcrafted cotton band. It is thin and soft. It will not irritate your eyes. It said they're natural, 100% real shedding hair of mink. Thick hair and thin strip line make the lashes look natural and fluffy. They do not feel heavy on your eyes. And then it says for safety, the ingredients in this makeup product are hypoallergenic band and safe for skin contact and beauty without cruelty. All right, and then the magnetic eyeliner part right there says that it's super smooth, waterproof, and dries quickly. So when we do put on our eyelashes, our magnetic eye strip, you're gonna put it on just like an eyeliner right above your eye. And then we're gonna let it dry for 30 to 60 seconds before we adhere the magnetic lashes. All right, so I'm gonna zoom in on my eye so we can get started. Oh, and guys, I know I'm close, but I just wanted to show you one more thing before we get started. So you see I've taken the eyelash off of the strip band. Now at the end of the day, these will come right off. You just go ahead and pull them off gently, and then you can place it right back into the band. It'll stick right back in place. You see that? So we took it off, let's take it off again, and it'll stick right back in place when you put it back on. All right, so now, I know I was close up, but let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take both of the lashes off of the strip band. So I'll be ready to go. And did I show you how thin? I'm gonna show you exactly how thin the band is. I don't know if y'all can see that. If it'll focus. Come on, focus, focus, focus. It's not gonna focus. Jeez. When you want it to do something, it never does it. No. Well, maybe I'll just zoom in. So you see, there we go. You see how thin that band is? It's very thin, very lightweight. So that should go nice and seamlessly on the eye. Then you're going to take out your, now I'm not focused. Hold on, y'all. I gotta get focused. Okay, so there we go, I'm focused. So then you're going to take out your magnetic eyeliner that they give you, and you're gonna shake it up real good. Shake it up real good, that's what it says to do. Okay, then we're gonna go ahead and apply the eyeliner close to the eye. And then it says 1 to 2 applications, so we'll do 2. One very close and then one kind of above that. So, y'all see me? Okay. Very close to the eye. Like so. So it looks like that. And then I'm gonna do a little bit more. Just a little bit above it. Did I get close to the eye? Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and do the other eye. I'm gonna shake it up some more. Just a little. And then we're gonna go ahead and do the other eye. Close to the eye lash. Oops. Kind of jacked that up, y'all. You see what I did? Dang it. Now I'm gonna look like I got a black eye. Oh, please. I gotta fix that. All right, so now that we have let the glue dry for 60 seconds, we are gonna go ahead and apply our lashes to the applicator. Go ahead and put it not directly close to the lash. You wanna put it a little far away so that it won't mess with the actual eyeliner pencil. Okay, so go ahead and get ready and apply. I like to apply it closer to the edge of the eye and not to the inside of the eye. So we're gonna go ahead and you'll feel it attach quickly. It just pops right on there, as you see. And you can use your finger to kind of put it in place where you want it. But once it's on there, it is on there. And that's the first lash. As you see, it just snapped right on. Now we're gonna go ahead and take our second lash and do the same thing. Attach it to the applicator and go ahead and place it where you want it. And don't worry, because if you don't get it where you want it the first time, you can pull them right off and do it again. Just reapply some more of the glue. And place it where you want. Voila, magic, just like that. In and on in less than 5 minutes. Let's adjust this one a little bit more. And like I say, you can kind of move it around how you want it. But that'll work for that. So, did you see how easy that was? That was very, very, very simple. And I love these. These are nice and wispy. And these are kind of lighter than the other magnetic lashes that I'm used to wearing. They're a little bit more wispy. The other kind I used was thicker, so I really like this much better. This is me with my eyes closed and me with my eyes open. What do you guys think? All right guys, so this is me zoomed out with the eyelashes on. They are very glamorous, easy, and like I said, at the end of the day, you'll just be able to pull them suckers off, not too hard, and just slide them right back in for the next application. All right guys, so don't forget, if you do order them, go ahead and use my code. You will go ahead and punch this code in after checkout, and my link for this, your 20% off for the why can't I pronounce this? Eyekeshe magnetic eyelashes will be, the link will be down in the description, and then the code is right here, and I'll also have the code down in the description as well. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a big like, and go ahead and hit the notification bell so that you can be alerted when I do post another video. All right guys, so after you finish this video and after you order your new magnetic eyelashes, go ahead and check out some more of my videos, subscribe, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Love you guys, bye.